Please subscribe to Face TV Africa and turn the notification on. Face TV Africa, subscribe,
Face TV was Swoby.
I didn't know Mko was in London. So I was going to a party in Stratford. So but I needed to call my apartment. Then I was expecting a message there. So I put a 20p coin into the box. After I finished talking, I still had 10p left. So I didn't want to waste it. I said, oh, okay, let me call Dele Abiola. So someone picked the call and said, can I speak to Dele Abiola? The person said, who is that? I said, my name is Dele Momod. Then I heard, Dele. Then me too, I said, who is that? My name is Mko Abiola. The phone wanted to come love my no, you put your God punish poverty. No. You won't believe it. Said Dele one. Where are you? I said I'm in Stratford, sir. Can you come to my house right away? I don't know if I'm for it, I don't for it. What's that mean? Come you will think I was Ben Johnson. He said, so jump on the tube. When you get to Great Portland Street Station, when you come out, so walk across to Chester Terrace. I'll be waiting for you. Abiola will be waiting for you. Can you imagine? Son of Yaoyo. Come for me. Hey, waiting. So I got there to cut the long story short. It was a video phone. I pressed it. Film. No response. I made you about change his mind. I was going to press it the second time. Then George is the Igbo guy. Then opened the door. He said, Chief is waiting for you in his bedroom. In that place, the elevator, 4th floor. I said, what? Then I opened the door. I saw my pa on his bed. Was in his house coat. The son was sitting there watching the video of the speech he made somewhere. To cut the long story short, I started just Dele one. Then he was talking about my rights, you know. Then he said, I told you to go and marry. I have not married. So what are you waiting for? You can't put signature on a woman's tie. So what's your problem? I said, Daddy, I don't have money for that. He said, no. Nobody waits until you have everything. You have to do it like go ahead. I said my girlfriend, my wife today, we were cutting. So it was time for me to go. Then he looked at me, Dele one. Then they want come. Let me find you something. 2.5 grand be okay for you. Me that it was £290 that followed me to London. Somebody is now asking me if 2,500 will be okay. In 1991, oh God. Boy, I stood up. My legs were already shaking. Then he looked at me again. He turned out the chair. That account in London, do you have an account in London? I said, no, sir. No. Okay, I will ask them to open two for you. Yeah. He said, you even said your girlfriend is around, then I'll make the money £4 grand. I went on the floor. On the floor? £4 grand. Straight. In 1991. Yes. It was more than my salary in 1 year. I know. I went on the floor. Then, as he was writing the check, then he turned the back. They are calling him. Biara has no accounts in the UK. Please open two. It was a Sunday. I forgot the elevator to start for it. Money, no. The easiest way to go mental is to see the kind of money that you never bargained for. Yeah, that's true. And unexpectedly, suddenly, so I came downstairs. I couldn't open the door. I ran back upstairs. You could see that the boy will. Money. I'm telling you. So now she go and let me out. When I got into Regent's Park, that was overlooking the Regent's Park. Hallelujah. I was singing. Like you said, I could not sleep.
I'm telling you.
Money is a demon. I was afraid. I said, maybe somebody will fall on the check and I won't be able to go back to him. Maybe somebody will take. I was thinking of. Then in the morning, I went to number 2266 Pentonville Avenue, Kings Cross.
I can still remember.
How can you forget your biggest break in life? Your biggest break in life. How can you forget? Colin Haywood, I will never forget his name. The bank manager later was Peter Mumford, who became his personal assistant.
Wow.
Yes, Chief Abiola employed Peter Mumford from National Westminster Bank, Kings Cross Bank. Quote me. And the people have money today. If you have the money, you can't spend it that way. The man was.
No.
This style is uncommon. Anywhere I can tell you, let Bill Gates sit down here, let Warren Buffett sit down here, MKO will be the center of attraction. We lost a man. We lost a man. That was how he opened the account. Then when I saw Colin Haywood the following day, the first thing I did is when he saw the check. Oh, from Chief Abiola. So would you need some cash? I look at the